Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to see first message on iMessage without scrolling. Let's have a look. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Choose the conversation you want to view from your list of messages. Here you can scroll and see the previous conversations. But to see the first message on iMessage without scrolling, tap once at the top of the screen where the clock is displayed. This action will cause the conversation to scroll up a bit. Continue tapping at the top of the screen. Each tap will scroll the conversation upwards, moving first, then manual scrolling. So these are the steps to see first message on iMessage without scrolling. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.